Hi to you over there at Arizona Granite and Stone. I'm Wynn from Digital Energy Web Services, and I'm sending the video that I promised you I would send you so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So here is your website. It looks like it is one page. I like the fact that you have lots of different pictures on there of the different work that you've done. And we would definitely want to have that on your website, but I would like to see a few more things on there for you to get ranked on Google. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Now to Google, content is king. And as you can see, you have 444. I would normally recommend 1,500 to 2,000, but in a minute I'm going to show you why I might recommend a little bit more. So let's go ahead and look at your company. So this is another program that I use. It's quite costly, but it shows me a lot of different things about a website. Now, as you can see, there's not a lot of information here, and I'm going to show you what I would like for this to look like here in just 1 second. So let's go to one of your top competitors. This person was #1 for Glendale. As you can see, they have a very nice site. There's a lot of different things up here on the menu, which Google really likes. They also have different places, different ways you can get to these back pages, which is another thing that's important to Google. They want to see you have multiple ways to navigate your site. Now, here's why I said that I might want to see a little bit more content, although if I go and research your other competitors, then we will probably see that they probably have a little bit less content. But Mirage has 4,767 words of content on their homepage. So you definitely want to have lots of content on your website and especially your homepage. So I was very surprised though, because here is their homepage. This is their Trust with Google. And this is their entire website. Now you want to try and get these numbers as close together as you possibly can. It's called the golden ratio. And the reason I'm kind of surprised that especially their website is so low is because they have over 1,500 backlinks and 623 referring domains. And all that means is a backlink is a link pointing back from your site or from another person's site to your site, and it transfers the power from their site over to your site. And since Google is kind of like a popularity contest, the more power you have from other people's websites, the more trust you have with Google. So they have a lot of backlinks, but because this number is so low, they don't have very good backlinks. They probably have a lot of what in this industry we call no-follow backlinks. And that means the power from that referring domain is not transferring over to their website. So a lot of these backlinks aren't even doing them any good at all. So I think within a reasonable amount of time that it wouldn't take us long to rank you on there at all. Now we're going to go look at keywords. You remember we were just talking about content. So in that content, we want to make sure that we have location specific words that people actually search. One of them is Buckeye Granite. Now, as you can see, there is a search volume for 80 for Buckeye, and then they are actually ranked #2 right there. So they're probably pulling in 10, 15 people just from Buckeye Granite. And I was really happy to see that there's a lot of smaller towns around you that are ranking. That would be very easy for us to take their keywords and rank you for them. So I think this could work out really well for you guys here in just a few months. So the last thing that we're going to talk about is citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number. At different places on the web, different directories like Yelp, Super Yellow Pages. There's a ton of good contracting directories we want to put your name, address, and phone number on. And I actually think that that is exactly why they are ranking so well on the map pack, because that's where I found them. Because a lot of these are just citations. And so we would want to get a bunch of citations to get you guys ranking well in the map pack, but I think that'd be relatively easy to get you ranking organically just on the first page of Google itself. So both of those are easy ways to get ranked. So today we've talked about content, keywords, backlinks, and citations. Um, you can take this information and do the research yourself and increase your business. Or if you want to save yourself a lot of time and stress, you can just contact me and we can have a conversation and see if we're a good fit for each other. I really hope that you're having a great day. Thank you for reaching out for the video, and I look forward to talking to you soon and just seeing what you thought about it. So have a wonderful day.